Well, here we are up at the fireworks. We've had a busy, busy birthday. We're wrapping up the day. Russell's here for the fireworks.
Hand bomb bursting in air.
No, it's the Disneyland fireworks.
People!
Not a sporting event either. We're here to see the Disneyland fireworks. You've had a really busy, busy day. Did you have fun?
I did.
Can you thank everybody for watching?
Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you had fun. I'm getting really, really, really sleepy though.
Do you think it's time to go home, Russell?
I do.
Can you say good night?
Good night, everybody. Thank you, Walt.
I hope everybody had a swell time. We had so much fun doing this. We'll see you real soon.